Oh, baby bird, you almost fell off. You know it's going to get too dark to see. You're going to want to go to bed. It's summertime. You got plenty of light. You do. You got plenty of time. You got another 4 hours. I'll sit here with you. You say, well, baby bird. Go, go, go. No. You almost fell off the chair. I bet that would make you fly. Yes, it would. I know you're thinking about it. You're thinking really hard about it. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. See? Check them out. Those are wings. They're wings. Oh, you almost fell off. Yes, you did. You can do it. It's a wing. It will make you fly if you just flap it. Yeah. Come on now. You can clean yourself up for your maiden voyage. Because I know you're going to fly. Oh, come on. Come on. Ooh, you almost fell off again. You must be getting tired. I know you are. Yep. So why are you looking at me? You need to look the other way. Not at me. No. Turn around. Fly, fly, fly. You can do it. You can. Well, hey. You look good. You do.